everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to your home of cookbook recipes with your girl Carol. And today guys, we have a very interesting video. We have a new recipe to try out for you guys, and we are trying out from books to perfection. No, Back to Perfection. At a book to perfection, Back to Perfection. And today we'll try out a classic pound cake. Guys, my people, I've tried out this recipe before and it backfired on me. The first time I bought this book, this is the first recipe I tried, because I went through the recipes and like, wow, this recipe has very few ingredients. All of them are in the pantry. Let me try out. What? Kiliniramba. It didn't work, guys. It did not work. It backfired. So this time round, I'm trying it out again, and hopefully it will work, guys. Hopefully it will work. So welcome to today's video. Have I shown you the photo? No, I've not shown you the photo. And of course, this book always has a photo for every recipe. This is what we are cooking today. Look at it. The way it looks so nice. It looks really, really nice. So that's what we'll try and make today, the classic pound cake. And I hope you're going to enjoy the video. So let me show you what we are working with so that we can begin. Karibu sana. So guys, for this pound cake, we're going to use some eggs. I have some butter. I have some monk fruit sweetener. I have some gluten-free flour blend, and I have some xanthan gum. So my oven is preheating. Let's start mixing. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to cream our butter for a minute or two. The next thing we're going to add is the sugar, or monk fruit sweetener in my case. So we put this aside a bit. Mix our eggs. So the book says, because the pound cake relies on incorporated air, for it to rise, it's crucial that you maintain the butter emulsion throughout as you add the eggs. Read the book, get the instructions. So let's hope that it will work. I've already mixed. I'm going to use this to scoop my eggs as I pour it in the sweetener butter mixture. This will be my first addition of the eggs. That's number one. Then thoroughly mix the butter after each addition. You start on low and end on high. That's my number one. Number two. Then 11. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to sift the gluten flour, the xanthan gum. So my xanthan gum, then the gluten-free flour blend. Guys, look at our pound cake and the way, please, when we removed you from the oven, we had hope. What's not happening? What's not happening? Really? I think I followed every step in the book. What's not happening? What's not happening? Oh no. Now it's stuck. It can't get out. Let's try and remove it. Mr. Pound Cake, like seriously? Why are you disappointing me? Hey, is it the fact that I use monk fruit sweetener instead of the sugar? Because in this book, I've always used monk fruit sweetener where the book asks what was the sugar. So I'm wondering, is it my mixing that I did wrong, or is it sweetener? Look at that, let it cool completely, then we cut and see. Maybe it's not the look. Maybe the taste will encourage us, but the look is not at all. And the way it had a nice crack on top. But let's wait for it to cool down, then we taste. So guys, where did I go wrong? This recipe says that the cake rises beautifully in the oven, producing a domed top with a pretty golden crack down the middle. When we removed it in the oven, it was what the book says, but now things on the ground, hey, totally different. Totally different. My. Let's cut and see. It's not even ready. Look. That's the reason why. And the toothpick came out clean. So guys, today is a sad day. I have nothing to taste. Nothing. Our cake has backfired. This is the second time I've tried out this particular recipe. The first day, but the day I got the book, when I bought it, this is the first recipe that I tried out and it backfired. This is the second time I have tried out this particular recipe and it has backfired. It has not been baked to perfection. Now, help me in the comment section. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? I've switched my sweetener. I've switched the caster sugar with monk fruit sweetener. That's what I usually do with all these particular recipes, and none has ever failed me. So I don't know if it's a monk fruit sweetener or it's the what. But what down? This one of mine has not been baked to perfection, and I was like, if it doesn't work today, I will show you guys, because now I need help. I don't know what happens. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried out this recipe, where I went wrong, or if you can help me. What did I do wrong? Because we need to do this video. We need it to be baked to perfection. Because guys, look at this. This is what we want. This is what we want. Not this thing. Not this at all. So my people, for the first time, we have nothing to taste. Is it the first time? Yeah, on camera, because I said this is the second time I've tried out this recipe. But I was like, if it doesn't work, I will still show you guys, because now beyond that, what else can I do? So that's it for today, guys. Nothing to taste, but we tried out our best. There's always a next time. So see you in the next video. Bye bye and God bless.